Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics. Today we will see some tricks for two-digit numbers calculations. The calculations like multiplication and squares of two-digit numbers. First, we will see the tricks for two-digit multiplication. For two-digit multiplication, there are many ways, and this way is the fastest and easy way for doing it. And for this, I am taking one example, say 21 and 33. Here the first step is to multiply the right side digit numbers, that is 1 and 3. So I multiply 1 and 3, so the answer is 3. I am writing it here, and then we need to second step is we need to cross multiply the digits, that is 2 1 3 3. We need to cross multiply. 2 by 3 is 6, and then 3 by 1 is 3, and we need to add these two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9, so we have to write the 9 here. And the third step is to multiply these two numbers, that is 2 by 3, which is 6. So the answer is 693. Let us see another example. 31 into 41. Now multiplying the right two numbers, 1 into 1, which gives 1, and then cross multiply 31 and 41. So 3 into 1 gives 3, plus 4 into 1 gives 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, writing it here, and then multiplying these two numbers, 3 into 4, which will give 12. So the answer is 1271. Now we will see some bigger number with some alteration, that is say 42 by 54. So 2 fours, taking the right two digits, 4 twos are 8, then cross multiplying 42 and 54. 4 fours are 16, and 5 twos are 10, which gives 26. Now since this is two digits, I am writing the 6 here and then carrying over the 2 here. Now multiplying 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So the answer is 2268. So if we get any two-digit number here, when cross multiplying, you can put the last digit and carry over the next digit here and add it. Now let us take some more bigger number, say 55 and 23. Multiplying the last two digits, 5 by 3 is 15, so I am putting 5 here and carrying over the 1 here, and now going to the cross multiplication, 55 and 23. 5 twos are 10, plus 2 5 threes are 15, and adding all these together, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 1 is 26. Since this is two digit, I am putting 6 here and then carrying over 2 here. 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, so 1265 is the answer. So this is the easy trick to do the multiplication. One more example, 76 and 87. Multiplying right two digits, 6 sevens are 42, 2 here and carrying over the 4. Next cross multiplication, 76, 87. 7 sevens are 49, plus 6 eights are 48. Adding all together gives 101. Now putting this 1 here and carrying over the 10 here. Multiplying these two numbers, 7 eights are 56 and plus 10, 66. So the answer is 6612. Like this, you can multiply any two-digit numbers. This is very easy and fastest way to multiply two-digit numbers. Next, we will see tricks for square of two-digit numbers. In this, let us see how to do square of any number ending with 5. For example, 25. For numbers ending with 5, we can directly write 25 here, and then for this digit we need to see what is the adjacent number. The adjacent number for 2 is 3, so 2 into 3 gives 6, which is 625. 625 is the square. Let us see another example, say 75. Same way, for 5 writing 25, and then for 7 adjacent number is 8, so 7 into 8 is 56, so the answer is 5625. And another example, 95, 5, 25, and for 9 next number is 10, 9 into 10 is 90, so writing 9025 is the answer. Like this we can do the square of any 2-digit numbers ending with 5. Now let us see the square of any 2-digit numbers. This will be very easy and fastest way to do the square. Let us take an example, 23 square. For this we need to first square the last digit, that is 3 square is 9, and then square this digit, that is 2 square is 4, and now we need to multiply all these 3 numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 2, which gives 12. So writing this 2 here of that 12, and then carrying over the 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, total 529. 23 square is 529. So that is very easy. And next, one more example, say 61. Same way, 1 square is 1, 6 square is 36. Now 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So writing the 2 here and carrying over the 1 here, 36 plus 1 is 37, 3721. 61 square is 3721. And let us see one more example, 77. First digit 7, 7 sevens are 49, and then second digit 7, 7 sevens are 49. Now multiplying these 3 numbers, 7 into 7 into 2, which will give you 49 into 2 is 98. Okay, so writing the answer, in this 49 I am writing this 9, carrying over the 4, and 98 plus this 4 is 102, writing this 2 and carrying over the 10, then 49 plus 10 is 59. This is the answer. So this is the fastest and easy way to do the square of any 2-digit numbers. You can use this in your competitive exams and entrance exams to do it faster. And these are the tricks for the square of 2-digit numbers, and also the multiplication tricks we saw. So in this video we saw the multiplication tricks for 2-digit numbers and also the square of 2-digit numbers. If you have any questions, please do comment. Thank you for watching.